Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a galaxy of adventure with some of the most iconic LEGO creations ever made. In this video, we are revealing the top 5 LEGO Star Wars toy sets, each packed with action, detail, and unforgettable moments from the Star Wars universe. If you want to explore or purchase any of these sets, the product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Number 1. The Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer set is a must-have masterpiece for any fan who wants to relive the epic moments from Star Wars: A New Hope. This buildable LEGO Star Wars toy starship delivers an immersive experience, letting you construct a highly detailed brick-built version of the iconic Imperial Star Destroyer. Packed with 7 LEGO Star Wars minifigures including Darth Vader, Commander Praji, an Imperial Gunner, an Imperial Navy Trooper, a Stormtrooper, and a special 25th anniversary Cal Kestis minifigure, it brings unforgettable characters straight into your hands. The model combines impressive design with interactive play features, such as a hidden fold-out carry handle for flight mode, 2 spring-loaded shooters for action scenes, and a lift-off top panel with fold-out sides that reveal a fully crafted interior. Inside, builders will find a bridge, command room, armory, break room, cargo box, kyber crystal, and thermal detonator elements, adding depth and storytelling potential. With 1,555 pieces, this set offers hours of engaging building time and stands beautifully on display at over 6 inches high, 18 inches long, and 11 inches deep. Designed for ages 10 and up, it makes a perfect holiday or birthday gift for kids, collectors, or lifelong fans. Plus, the adventure continues beyond the bricks, since LEGO Star Wars has now joined LEGO Fortnite, giving players even more ways to expand their galactic imagination. Number 2. The Star Wars R2-D2 building toy set brings one of the galaxy's most iconic characters to life in a detailed and display-worthy LEGO build. Designed for fans who adore the courageous astromech droid, this set features a brick-built R2-D2 with authentic shaping and playful mechanical details. The model includes a full 360-degree rotating head, a detachable third leg to shift between standing and mobility mode, and attachable features such as the periscope and a collection of tools that perfectly capture his movie-like personality. The set also includes a LEGO R2-D2 figure, along with a special 25th anniversary Darth Malak minifigure displayed on a commemorative stand featuring the LEGO Star Wars anniversary logo. Builders can complete the display with a detailed information plaque that enhances the overall presentation, making it a standout piece for desks, shelves, or themed rooms. With 1,050 pieces, this set offers an engaging building experience that appeals to kids aged 10 and up, as well as adult Star Wars enthusiasts who collect memorabilia or love assembling detailed recreations. Whether used for imaginative storytelling, recreating classic moments, or simply admired as a centerpiece, this R2-D2 set fits perfectly into any LEGO Star Wars collection. Measuring over 9 inches tall, it makes a bold decorative statement while remaining compact enough for easy placement. Thoughtfully crafted for building, displaying, and play, it is a gift that celebrates creativity, nostalgia, and the enduring charm of one of Star Wars' most beloved characters. Number 3. The Star Wars 327 Starfighter Chrome Trooper set is a dynamic LEGO Star Wars battle pack designed to bring large-scale action to life for young fans and collectors. Inspired by Star Wars Revenge of the Sith, the set lets builders create their own platoon of clone troopers and face off against the included Super Battle Droid figures. With a total of 7 characters, the pack features 4 clone trooper minifigures equipped with a blaster pistol, 2 blasters, and a blaster rifle, providing enough firepower to stage intense battlefield scenes. They're joined by 3 Super Battle Droid LEGO figures that serve as formidable opponents, making every play session feel like a cinematic encounter. The set also includes an AT-RT walker featuring a cockpit for a minifigure, a functional stud shooter, and built-in storage to hold gear such as binoculars and a blaster. To expand the action, the posable spider droid and a stud shooter turret add even more depth to the Battlegrounds setup. With 258 pieces, this set supports interactive building through the LEGO Builder app, allowing kids to zoom in, rotate, and fully visualize their creations in 3 dimensions as they assemble them. Measuring over 6 inches tall, the AT-RT walker is compact, yet impressively detailed, making it ideal for display or play. Perfect for boys, girls, and any LEGO enthusiasts, this pack can also be combined with other LEGO Star Wars battle packs for larger troop formations and extended story-driven adventures, making it a versatile and engaging gift choice.
Number 4. The Star Wars Millennium Falcon collectible model is a stunning build-and-display set crafted for fans who want to celebrate the legacy of the most iconic starship in the Star Wars universe. This mid-scale LEGO recreation captures the Millennium Falcon as seen in Star Wars A New Hope, allowing builders to relive classic moments while assembling an authentically detailed model. The ship features signature elements such as its recognizable cockpit, satellite dish, and forward-mounted cannons, all recreated with precision in LEGO style. The set is designed specifically for display and includes a custom stand, complete with a nameplate and a special LEGO Star Wars 25th anniversary brick, and the model sits at a dynamic angle that makes it an impressive centerpiece for shelves, offices, or themed rooms. As part of the LEGO Star Wars Starship collection, it joins a collectible lineup of mid-scale starships that appeal to longtime fans and dedicated builders who enjoy curating detailed displays. With 921 pieces, this build provides an engaging, mindful construction experience, ideal for adults who appreciate immersive creative projects. The final model measures over 5 inches high, 9.5 inches long, and 7.5 inches wide, making it a compact yet visually striking tribute to the beloved freighter. Whether purchased as a gift for a Star Wars enthusiast or headed to a growing memorabilia collection, this Millennium Falcon set stands out as both a nostalgic reminder of the saga's origins and a beautifully made piece of collectible art. Number 5. Star Wars of the Mandalorians and One Starfighter set brings fast-paced adventure and cinematic excitement straight from the Book of Boba Fett into LEGO form. This buildable Starfighter captures the sleek and modified N1 ship that the Mandalorian pilots across Tatooine, giving kids and collectors the chance to relive iconic scenes with every detail carefully recreated. The model features a mini-figure cockpit, a functional cargo compartment, and a spring-loaded shooter to defend the crew during daring missions. Included in the set is a LEGO Mandalorian minifigure equipped with jetpack and the legendary Darksaber, as well as a Pelimado minifigure with her signature wrench, and a BD droid figure belonging for imaginative storytelling and character-driven play. Fans will appreciate the addition of the Baby Yoda LEGO figure, who fits perfectly in the Starfighter's passenger space, adding charm and authenticity as they reenact memorable on-screen moments. The build is supported by clear and easy-to-follow illustrated instructions, making it accessible even for younger builders or beginners entering the LEGO Star Wars universe. With its dynamic design and engaging features, this Starfighter set serves as an exciting introduction to creative play and a fantastic way for fans to expand their Mandalorian-themed collection. Ideal for kids aged 9 and up, it also makes a thoughtful gift for Star Wars enthusiasts who enjoy assembling built-up models that celebrate the series' evolving storyline. Whether displayed or used for imaginative battles, this N1 Starfighter stands out as a thrilling tribute to modern Star Wars adventures.